So what is the latest and greatest with the market? Where are we going to go from here? Got a lot I want to cover in a real quick amount of time, so let's do this thing. The market 2 trillion down 1%. Bitcoin and Ethereum are down 2% each respectively as of the recording of this video. Okay. A couple things I really want to point out. I want to talk mostly about Bitcoin and Ethereum in this video because they drive it. By the way, if you didn't know this number and this number make over 70% of that number right there. Bitcoin, Ethereum, see a trend. Okay. So the issue we're having here, guys, is that we've got a situation like we're this playing out where yesterday we had a really nice green day followed by a red day. And we've got a couple of things at play, okay? And so I want to show you this real quickly. Right here, right now, the stock futures are showing down 114 and down 96%. 96, messing up today, on NASDAQ and Dow respectively, okay? Flat, weak. Again, continued pervasive Russia, Ukraine, etc. All there is in that. But there's an interesting thing playing out, okay? Look. Investors are hoarding cash on inflation recession fears. I think that is absolutely in play, and that's something that we need to be aware of. I've talked about it in videos, but there it is right there in black and white, B of A survey. What does this mean? Austin, why do I care? You care because it goes to the heart of a situation playing out. People are hoarding cash. People are afraid. They are afraid because of the Russia-Ukraine war, what's going to happen, not going to happen, inflation, all these kind of things. It goes directly to the heart of this number, fear and greed index. We got a lot playing out here, okay? All right. Also, now, on a positive note, juxtapose that to what I just said, there is now a lot of financial kind of institution information coming out that says that, hey, Bitcoin has has a positive chance of hitting 45,000. I'm gonna get to that in just a minute. And also we've got a kind of 42.5 is our next level of resistance, things of that nature. But we've also got a situation, again, to kind of flip this. I'm giving you some positive and negative, just kind of walking you around the park here a little bit. We've got more overriding information coming out right here that Jerome Powell, who's the head of the Fed, on Monday repeated that the central bank could deliver interest rate increases of larger than 25 basis points at each of the future meetings, okay? And this is basically necessary in the fight against inflation, 40-year high of coronavirus pandemic. I would also add the Russia-Ukraine war and its impact on our economic markets, etc. Okay, so we got a little bit of positive, a little negative, but really, to me, this is the big thing that's kind of pulling everything down right here, right now. It's not what just Mr. Powell said, but it's more about the overriding narrative and the macroeconomic situation playing out. We simply have too much darn fear. We got people hoarding cash. We got this going on. Now, I'm going to flip this real quick because this is relevant. Okay, now to end on some good news. Okay, right here. Had a video come out about this. I had a video coming specifically out about this as well. But right here, look at this. I want to show you. Bitcoin technical indicators give bullish signal that previously preceded a 40% spike. Okay, so I'm going to real quickly go through this for you. This goes back to, if you look back in time, okay, there's a lot of technical indicators that show that it's possible that Bitcoin could be poised. And a 40% jump for Bitcoin is insane. What I'm doing is in my mind, I'm cutting it in half. I'm like, if we get a 20% jump in Bitcoin, that puts us knocking on the door at 50,000. 50,000 to me is the magic holy grail number, at least in the short to midterm. That if we can get to that, I think we move on. Okay, I think we pick up momentum and things like that. I say that in the context of, if the Russia-Ukraine war continues to get worse, that's going to pull it. That's going to throw all this out the window, okay? Because it is the unexpected and what the heck is going to happen or not going to happen, what is Russia going to do or not do, that is dragging all this into the mud. Back to this scenario, okay? The daily chart for Bitcoin mostly looks bullish, okay? It has been following an ascending support line since January 24th. If you didn't really know that, it has been, okay? It has been, by the way, it's been validated 4 times and technical indicators look bullish. This is for Bitcoin. It does matter, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, 70% of the overall market cap controlled by those 2 cryptos. Okay. All right. The previous time that I'm sorry. The MACD has also, the short and long-term averages are increasing and and have crossed into positive territory. The RSI is considered showing signs of a bullish trend. Therefore, it is possible for a similar upward move will occur. And look, back when all of this was going on, back in October of 2021, it preceded a 41% spike. Okay, so I'm going to leave you with that, right? All of this, I realize that there's positive and negative, and there's just all this kind of stuff mishmashed, technical word there, mishmashed, but it's all going into the mix. And it's really a situation where I would just continue to tell you, hedge your bets, stable coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, cash, all those kind of things. Have a little bit of all of that, right? Again, not investing advice, do what's right for you. And yeah, got a lot of mixed signals going on right here, right now. But that's what we're seeing. And you can tell, you can feel it, can't you? I mean, you get a green day followed by a red day. You get a green day followed by a red day. It's not like we got green days, which would be amazing. All right. That's all I got for you right here, right now. As always, I appreciate you. Have a good one. I'll see you later.